Jenna Ortega, again? Do you remember me from last week on Omegle? You know, it's fine. I didn't expect you to. Anyways, I do have one question for you if you don't mind. So let's say in a couple of years from now, I decide I want to try and become an actor. Do you have any tips on like how to remember your lines?
How do you remember your lines? I have a photographic memory, so all I really have to do is read over the lines once or twice, sometimes out loud if I really need it, and then I'm pretty much good.
Really?
Something that helps though, if you're having trouble with a line, if somebody's asking you a question, it's not going to be difficult because if you listen to what they're asking you, you remember, oh, this is the answer. You know?
Yeah, okay, thank you. I do have one more question. It's kind of weird, but do you know what my dad's name is?
James.
What? How did you know?
I love you. I love you so much. It's crazy.
You're talking to him. No, where did she go? My stupid internet. Who made this mark on the wall? That was Luke, it wasn't me. No, it wasn't me. What are you talking about? Luke, tell me the truth. I am telling the truth. Why would you blame me for ruining a wall in Jimmy's bedroom when I never go in there? It's true, Mom. He hasn't been in my room today. What? So you're saying you did it? No, Luke still did it. That's what I thought. Hey, I need a battery so I can tell the time. Is it for a clock? I don't know. That's why I need the batteries. Caden, how old is your father?
He's 39 years old, miss.
And Luke, how old is your father?
He's the same age as me.
That makes no sense. What are you talking about?
He became a father when I was born.
Your last birthday card here is from Grandma.
Thank you so much, Grandma.
Why don't I put that money in a safe spot so you don't lose it?
Okay, good idea. Mom, do you know where Dad is?
I'm pretty sure he's outside in the garage.
Okay, thank you. Hey, Dad, where did you put my money?
What am I doing? Not much. I just picked up this brand new tool today, so I'm just in the garage testing it out.
Here's your baby, sir. Aw, thank you. Unfortunately, I have some bad news, though. Your wife didn't make it. Then give me the one my wife made. Hello? Who is this? I'm Watt. What's your name? Watt's my name. Yes, what's your name? My name is John Watt. John what? Yes, are you Andy? No, I'm not. Can you tell me your name then? Will not. Why not? My name is not. Not what? Not what? Not. How much would you sell your horse for? I'd sell it to you for $2,000. $2,000? Deal. Perfect. You can come and pick him up tomorrow. Hey, I'm here to pick up the horse. I have some bad news. Unfortunately, the horse passed away. You know what, it's fine. Just give me my money back. I can't do that. I already spent it all. Okay, then give me the dead horse. Why? What are you gonna do with it? I'm gonna raffle it off. You can't raffle off a dead horse. Of course I can. I just won't tell anyone that it's dead. Hey man, what happened to the dead horse? Did you end up raffling it off? I sure did. I sold 500 tickets for $25 each and made a total of $25,000. Did anyone complain? Just the guy that won, so I gave him his money back. And this is my favorite room. It's the office. Are there any ghosts? Any what? Does the house have any ghosts? Oh, no, of course not. Dang it. You want ghosts? It's just, I don't have many friends, and I'm gonna be lonely here by myself, so I'd like some people to talk to. Well, I'm sorry, but there's no ghosts here. Shall we move on to the rest of the house? Excuse me, I'm in the middle of a conversation. Oh. With who? I'll take it. Alright, I'm headed to the spa for the day, so I'll see you two later tonight.
Drive safe, dear.
Bye, Mom.
It's looking like it's going to be hot and sunny out today, which is perfect because this morning at 8 a.m. the yearly theme park opened. And if you remember from previous years, it's only open one day of the year. So stop by at any time today and have some fun.
Dad, can we go to that?
Maybe in a bit, but don't bother me about it or we won't be going, okay?
Okay.
So, did you guys do anything fun today?
No.
Oh yeah, didn't you want to go to that theme park today? Why didn't you remind me? I would have taken you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know why I counted.
1, 2, skip these 3,
3.
4, 5.
Come on, man. She just went from 1, 2, skip these 3, 4, 5. Like
6, 7,
You're obviously gonna get
8,
11 now.
9, 10,
11. Oh, mind blow! Bread, milk, chicken, rice. Can you put some peanut butter on the shopping list? Okay, I'll be right back. Why did you tell me to do this? Now I can't even read it. Huh? No, please. What the? Why is it praying? It must be a nice bear. I always pray before I eat.
Oh. I got soup in my eye. I got see.
Today was the worst, man. I know, man. Mine too. My little brother got hit by a bus. Oh, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah. What was bad about your day? I got fired today from my job as a bus driver.
Luke, go have a shower.
Can I have one tomorrow? I'm watching TV.
You didn't have one yesterday, so you probably stink, and it's getting close to your bedtime, so go have one right now.
Fine. I have an idea. All done.
Jeez, that was quick.
Yeah, well, you know, I just needed to wash with soap and water down, and now I'm done.
It's past your bedtime. Go to bed.
Okay, good night. Grandma, how do you work this? Nerd, give me a worksheet so I can copy it. But I'm still working on the last question. Does it look like I care? The bell's about to ring soon, and I haven't done anything, so give me your worksheet or else you'll get a knuckle sandwich. Please, I really need to finish it before the end of class, or my parents will be upset. You asked for it.
Hey! Luke, no chewing gum in class.
Where's the teacher? She's not here yet. Did you know if she doesn't come in the next 15 minutes, we're allowed to leave? I'm serious. We're legally allowed to leave if she doesn't come in the next 14 minutes. Are you sure? I'm positive. Like if we walked out of the school, the principal can't stop us because that would be illegal. We're legally allowed to leave if she doesn't come.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Do you know how to do question 11? No, I'm not on that question yet. You'll have to ask the teacher. Ah, shoot. Okay. Mom? The receipt's in the bag. Thank you. You too. Hey man, how's it going? Perfect. Let's see how they turned out. What the heck?
It's so hot outside. Yeah, I know. I have an idea. What is it? Let's walk down to the store and get some ice cream. Yes! Let's do it!
Hey man, remember when we were younger and we used to always finish each other's sentences? Yeah, those are the good old days. Why do you ask? Well, I'm wondering if we could do that again. Alright, so this is going to be your workspace right here. Is that the fire alarm? Yes, it is. We better get out of here. Oh, and you know the drill, right? Yeah. Hi, it's nice to see you again. Yeah, same to you. Sit down! I can stand. I told you to sit down! Please, miss. I was supposed to get off 3 stops ago.
Mommy, come here.
Hold on, I'm coming. Alright, what is it you want me to see?
Watch this.
I'm watching. Hey, don't do that! You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm fine, Mom. I've done this thousands of times. Mom, this new show just came out on Disney Plus and it looks so good.
We don't have Disney Plus.
I know. Can we get it, please?
No, we already have Netflix, Amazon Prime, and whatever else we have. We don't need another.
I knew you would say that. It says there's a 7-day free trial. Can we get that?
If it's free, then go ahead, but you're not getting my credit card.
Yes.
Gonna eat it up on a Friday, 'cause I need a burger.
Oh, what am I forgetting? Ketchup. No. Mom, we're out of ketchup. Really? Let me see.
Mom, how much longer?
We just got here. I've only put one thing in the cart.
Mom, are you almost done?
We're about halfway done. Alright, this is the last thing. Now let's go pay.
Yes! I can't wait to get home.
Wait a second. Is that Carla? Hi, Shelly. Long time no see. Honey, would you be happy if I got you jewelry for Valentine's Day? Aw, nothing would make me more happier. Sweetie, happy Valentine's Day. Where's the jewelry? When I asked you if you wanted that, you said nothing would make you happier. Son, your mother and I have decided to ground you because you didn't do your chores before playing video games. What? But I asked you and you said I could do them later. I know, just go along with it. I didn't want to tell your mom because she would go mad. Oh, okay. So I want you to turn off the computer, give me your phone, and no more electronics for the rest of the night. What? Are you serious? No, you can go downstairs and watch TV. Just act like you're upset. Okay. Come on, Dad. We have also decided you have to cook your own supper tonight. What? It's okay. I'll order you pizza to the basement door. Okay. So in a couple seconds, I'm gonna shut the door because you have nothing else to do. So you better go to bed. Come on, I'll distract Mom while you go to the basement. Listen, class, we only have a few minutes left, so I'm going to come around and hand out tonight's homework. It's only 3 questions long, Luke.
Oh, perfect. That won't take very long then.
Luke, do you have any homework? It's getting close to bedtime.
Yeah, but it won't take very long. I'll do it in a couple seconds. I better go do my homework. Actually, it'll only take a couple minutes. I'll do it in the morning. Okay.
George Lopez.
Here.
Okay. Scotty Turner.
Yep.
Okay. Logan Smith.
Here.
Wait. Smith. Smith. Do you have an older brother?
Yeah.
You do? What's his name?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey Smith. That's your brother.
Mm-hmm.
He was a bad kid. Always in detention, never finished his work, always late to class. Don't tell me you're like him. Are you like him?
No.
Alright, don't worry. We're gonna have a fun year. How's he doing though?
He's doing fine.
That's good to hear. Okay,
If you see another person that looks identical to you, run away and hide.
I feel like I'm missing a pair. Where could they be? I can't keep living like this. What do you mean, man? This is what we were made for. I know, but what? Spit it out. His feet smell so bad. Oh, here they are. I think he's coming back. That's it, man. I'm making a run for it. What? You can't leave me. We're a pair. I'm sorry, man, but I can't do it anymore. No, man. Wait. Okay, class. Today we're going to play a game where you remove the third letter from your name. Geez, all of a sudden, I'm in a really good mood.
There's a snake in my boots.
Dad, can you transfer me money for lunch, please?
I'm Batman.
Is that me? Hi, I'd like to cancel my phone plan. May I ask why? Well, I just bought a house that came with internet installed already, so I decided I'm going to switch my phone over to the same provider. Well, how much are you going to pay at the other provider? It's around the same price, but I just want to keep everything on the same level. Well, if you stay with us, I can offer you 50% off per month.